Coach talk about a brotherhood. What that mean? That mean I'll fight for you. Back against the wall, I'll fight for you.
They locked in on every play, present in every moment. Let's go live.
We go out here, we fly around, we hit them in the mouth. We do that all game long. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Russell drops the ball on the first play.
Going downfield, it's incomplete.
Thank you. Cook fakes it, throws it complete to Chris Moore at the Titans' 30-yard line.
Damn.
Robert Woods on a 3rd and 33 goes 52 yards on a slip screen.
Not even on the easiest Madden mode could have converted that.
A 57-yard play, and the Cowboys were backed up, and the Chiefs get an improbable touchdown with no time left on the first half clock.
There's a lot of regrouping that needs to go on.
We're playing too far off. We got to disguise a little bit in the fury.
We got to get our head across backside off the free technique.
We got to get out there, and we got to get there.
Going here, down here. He's coming here. Yeah, back. Does that make sense?
Get your tools going, guys. Get your tools working. Let's install our tools. Let's get them going.
Defense!
Listen! Here they come. They waited a while to get going, but now the sacking king has got it going.
I don't give a who left the sack. I'm paid.
Pocket push. I told you what I'm going to do, so watch me out there now.
And he sacked. The ball is out. And it's picked up across the 30. 25-20, 15-10. Touchdown. Scoop and score. Lamar Houston.
That's how we rock, man. That's how we rock. Let's go. Oh!
You know he's going to go to power, right?
Yeah, he's slipping just like.
Give goes to Ajayi.
Let's work, Tate. Let's work, Tate. Get upfield.
A 46-yard explosion by Jay Ajayi.
Welcome to Philly, baby.
Cam Newton dove. He did a Superman over the top.
He got spun completely around. They don't take him down. That is a great play by Damian Williams.
Hell yeah, baby. Get excited. Let's keep going. We're going to win.
Everything you got, man. Let's go, fellas. Everything you got, boys. It's on us.
Hey, gotta go! Let's go!
On the ball! On the ball! Get on the ball! Hurry up! Hurry up! Sit down!
Myers, middle of the field, too high, but what a catch by Keelan Cole! He stuck one hand up there, brought it in.
Good catch, Nelly!
The 4th touchdown pass by Carson Wentz today. Here we go, Mig. Here it is. 4th down, 4th down. Ryan backs up, shuffles up, goes long. He's got a wide open receiver, end zone left side, fumbled and incomplete. Panthers dodged a huge bullet.
I'm saying if it's man, I can beat him all day.
Prescott rolling right, throw to Beasley, down to the 2, to the pylon, touchdown.
Great drive, kid.
Fires, goes deep, upfield, has a receiver, and it's caught for a touchdown by Johnny Holder.
It's all because of you. They're clouding your side, letting Johnny run free. Hey, I know you don't get the touchdown, but it's selfless.
Touchdown, Jacksonville. Jaden Mickens on the punt return for the score.
It's his birthday. Let him get a hat trick. It's his birthday.
Clement up the middle, he goes.
Hat trick, Corey. I'm glad to be here, bro, for real. I've been on the other side of that board too many times, bro.
Sure, we didn't even challenge it, man.
Hey,
We didn't even challenge it.
respect. You bombed my roof, though, for the game. Regular game, man. Stay out there.
We stood in this very spot 90 minutes ago after they made a big-time play, and we didn't. And lesser men and a lesser team would have flinched, would have blinked, would have gone the other way. And to me, it's about fight. It's about mental toughness. It's about team. It's about how you respond.
This is what you need to do to win football games, is you got to have a team victory. This was a hell of a team victory.
We're just getting started. This second half's going to be ours. Let's get rolling. All right, Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3. Raiders!